to being a mother in a project, and what were your preparations?
I think it is my first.
Right.
Because I've done a little more mature roles, like sa ugali-wise mature, but ngayon lang po yung sort of mother guardian type. My preparation, well, ang una po kasi yung character ni Sunny, ayaw talaga niya. Sungit, mainit ang ulo palagi. Medyo curate naman ako doon ng slide. Hindi, joke lang. Pero it wasn't that hard for me din naman po to prepare. Kasi as the days would go by, mas napakalapit din ako kay Riley. So the relationship, how it grew, how we bonded, it was very natural and it just really happened. And sobrang denied lang din ako ni Derek na yung maibigay ko, yung natural lang, yung normal lang, kasi overthinker ko on his side. So doon ako tinulungan ni Derek na maibigay ko yung best ko. And hopefully, lumabas siya, and hopefully yun din po yung makita ng mga tao pag nanood sila.
Thank you, Alexa.
I'm actually a Gen Z.
A Gen Z, ibang generation pa.
Lalo na siguro, but sa totoo lang po, medyo namulat din ako sa movie. But of course, right now, that's not at all something I think about, and not even in the near future. I feel like I want to pursue my career muna. Of course, and establish myself, and secure myself, and the future of the child I might want to bring to this world. Pero siguro po sa malayong future pa.
Alright.
But I'm a firm mom, and that's as fulfilling also. Ikaw?
Okay. No, kasi I think that's a normal, what do you call it, mindset ng iba, lalo na when they're focused on their careers first. So, iba-iba talaga priority. Wala siyang one size fits all, di ba? Alright.